Noong 1933 nang maitatag ang Holy Angel University o HAU sa Angeles City. Bagamat ilang unos na ang dumaan, ito'y nakababangong muli at patuloy na nagbibigay serbisyo sa mga mag-aaral at maging sa komunidad.
We had World War II, we had Mount Pinatubo, we had strikes, lockdowns, student unrest. We went through all of those, and every time we went through any of those, we found creative ways of becoming resilient. And so that's one of the things that we're very proud of.
Ang nasabing universidad ang kauna-unahang Catholic school sa Pilipinas na sinimulan ng isang layperson at nagsusulong sa kasaysayan at kultura lalo na rito sa Pampanga. Sa makatuwid, matatagpuan ng Center for Kapampangan Studies sa loob ng campus nito na naglalayong ipakita ang karanasan ng mga Kapampangan sa nakalipas na panahon. Kaugnay nito, anim na natanging Pinoy sa iba't ibang larangan ang binigyang pugay sa pagdiriwang ng ika-70 anibersaryo ng HAU, Miyerkules, March 8.
Yes, we have had these awards now for 12 years. When we first created the awards, we just wanted to recognize the people that we know, Kapampangans, but then it started to adjust. As you can see, we have awards in the order of the archangels, and also the Laos Deo Semper Award, which is a very important one, and of course the Juan D. Nepomuceno Cultural Awards.
Ang mga pinarangalan ay sina John De Leon na nakatanggap ng Order of St. Gabriel for Outstanding Achievement by an Alumnus. Order of St. Raphael for Outstanding Service to the Community naman ang iginawad kay Ginoong Francisco Adviento. Order of St. Michael for Contribution to Catholic Education kay Rodora Angela Ferrer. Cultural Award for Kapampangan Research and Scholarship kay Eusebio Dizon. Nakamit ni Ramon Mondavid ang Cultural Award for the Arts. At Laos Deo Semper Award for Outstanding Community Service naman kay Ginoong Ramon Tuazon.
Appreciative of the recognition by Holy Angel University. Hindi naman lahat nakakatanggap nun. At tulad no sinabi ko nga kanina, yung pagbigyan ng recognition may kaakibat na responsibilidad na gawin mo pa ang mas marami pang pwede mong gawin at encourage others to do more and to be of service. But if you receive an award, especially for civic responsibility or social responsibility, kasama na dun siguro yung pag-iisip na yung mga taong kasamang tinutulungan natin ay ini-empower natin.
Patuloy ang ginagawang hakbang ng ilan sa mga awardees upang makatulong sa komunidad at iba't ibang sektor.
Okay, right now, the work in the Private Education Assistance Committee is really to implement the voucher program, the education service contracting. But on top of that, we're also doing work at EDCOM 2 in order for us to evaluate the education system, especially because we know that we are not in a very good state insofar as our competitiveness is concerned.
Ako si Liana Canilao, taga rito, kasama niyo para sa CLTV36 News, atin to.